Hi there, Larry here, Rio de Janeiro, coming to you from Pontel. Why is it called Pontel? This is in Recreio, which is on a 18-kilometer stretch of beach, as you can see in the background. But more specifically, this is Pontel. This is a big rock that's out in the ocean, and you can get there when the tide goes down a little bit pretty safely. You can generally walk out. If there's a bit of water, you can swim if you're pretty strong. And this morning, as you can see, the ocean is ferocious. Yet the weather's starting to break here behind, so that's looks like a fair day ahead. But we've just come through 3 or 4 days of massive rainstorms, and this is basically what the ocean looks like afterwards. And so anyway, it's a no swim zone today, but just to show you a bit of the beach at the end of Recreio, which is called Praia Recreio, which means Recreio Beach, but it's also called Pontel to indicate the rock here behind us, behind me I should say. Anyway, enjoy your day and live well. Cheers.